All right, John, so we're side yard. We got to do some stepping stones from here around to, which Chris should be putting a gate for the garbage pails. This bed's going to be redone. All these plants should be out. I'm going to make the bed around the tree a little bit bigger for some planting. We're going to do perennials down this way. A bunch of little ivy in there. Try and have the guys pull that out. We're going to do a bed along this back side up to there, and another bed along here all the way around to there. A little bed in there, a little bed around here and there. Going to do kind of in the middle, somewhere over here, stacked stone wall that comes, swoops out down there, wrap back around, and then stops over there. Intermix a couple of boulders in that stacked slate wall. We're going to plant through this edge all around here. Going to plant with some privacy plants in there, and then perennials and small bushes going down the side. And this is our space. We have access over there, and we have a gate there.